Have you ever wondered how I use Leonardo AI to generate fascinating images? Do you want to know my secret AI image prompts? Have you ever dreamt of converting your imaginative ideas into captivating digital masterpieces similar to what I love to do? If the answer is yes, then do not miss any part of this video because I am about to unveil the top 3 AI image prompts that I have been secretly hoarding in my notebook. Hello 8x Income Army, welcome back to the Valley of Artificial Intelligence Adventures. If you have ever wondered how to turn your imagination into stunning digital art and curious about uncovering the techniques I employ with Leonardo AI to create compelling visuals, then this video is for you. Now, here's a question for you. Have you caught our last video where we deep dived into the art of generating AI images from a reference image? If not, it's a must-watch. You can find it in our video library. And today, we are peeling back the curtain and sharing the tips I follow for unleashing the magic of AI image generation, such as the top 3 AI image prompts stashed away in my artistic vault. Are you ready to explore this fascinating world with me? Let's dive in and explore it together. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you never miss out our latest AI adventures. Okay, first things first, open your web browser and head to Google. Type in Leonardo AI, and let's get ready to make some digital masterpieces. Once you are landed on homepage, then you will need an account, but no worries. You can create one in a breeze or just continue with your Google credentials. Once you are on the Home tab, take a look at the top pane of different modules offered by Leonardo AI. Here, in the left side pane, click on the 5th option, Fine-Tuned Models, which will open a new tab displaying the pre-trained AI models at this platform. These are the magical brushes in our digital art palette. For today's video, as our prompts to be discussed are based on results from different models, so let's select the models one by one and check the results accordingly. Let's start with the first model named as Leonardo Vision XL. Click on it and in the resulted pop-up, hit the Generate with this model button, which will open a new tab of AI image generation where you can generate AI art according to your described text query. Now, let's dive into our first prompt that is titled as Creating Visually Attractive Portraits. For today's video, this prompt comes at the number 3 and it is all about creating some real-time scenes such as lakes, mountains, or real-time scenes, etc. For example, click on Type a Prompt Input field and imagine this. A beautiful girl watching the night sky, sitting on a rock, full moon, sky filled with stars, 8K resolution by Alex 1 Shved. But wait! Don't worry about noting this prompt because I have left all the exact sample prompts in the video description, so you can copy and paste the third prompt from this video's description for your personalized use. Now let's move forward, and here's the fun part. Tweak a detail or two, update the particulars such as change full moon to half moon, etc. And go to the side pane where under the image description, hover on arrow icon to see the optimal aspect ratio. As here is mentioned ratio of 1024 by 768, so from the below select this ratio. If the selected model's aspect ratio and the selected aspect ratio are same, then the arrow icon image dimensions will automatically be removed. Once these mandatory fields are set, scroll up the left side pane and select the number of resulting images such as 2, 4, 8 and move to Generation History tab. Let's hit that Generate button to bring our scene to life, and have you seen some epic results? Now, let's move towards our next prompt. So, are you ready for some superhero vibes? Alright, then grab that second prompt from the video description, paste it in the input prompt field. Then choose the pre-trained model, Dreamshaper V7, from the drop-down menu under Input field. Now, let's talk about the magic numbers, the optimal aspect ratio. Check that box, hit Generate, and ta-da! A new series of superhero-inspired images. Now, if you are feeling bold, switch up the main objects such as Superman, Spider-Man, or anyone you like, but keep the settings as the same as earlier, and watch your own superhero universe unfold before your eyes. And now, the most awaited and very fascinating prompt for our today's video. Generating concept art for all media or showbiz industries, such as either it is for creating new concept of your comic book or for a new fiction movie or an interesting animation. So, copy the third prompt from the video description, paste it in text prompt field, select Dreamshaper V6, pre-trained model, and set your aspect ratio accordingly. Ready? Hit Generate, and there you have it. A fresh series of images to fuel your creative ventures. Feeling adventurous? Tweak the main object, but keep those settings intact, and witness your concepts come to life in a whole new light, such as a new comic book, a thrilling animation character, And there you go. The top 3 AI image prompts from my secret stash. But hold on, there's more. If you are curious about adding a personal touch, check out our previous video on how to put your own face into these magical creations. And the excitement doesn't end here. In our next video, we are going even deeper into my AI prompts notebook to bring you more creative inspirations. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join us on this creative adventure. Until next time, stay inspired.